What's up, guys? Stevie Diamond Hands Trading System Simplified. It is that time of the week again. Time for our weekly watch list and my top setups for going into this week's trading week. Now, as always, if you find value in these videos and you like free education, make sure you hit that like button. Please consider subscribing and tap that bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now, as always, SPY comes first on the weekly watch list. Always. It's my bread and butter, and personally one of my favorite tickers to trade. I know the personality of the stock, so it does help. The levels I'm looking at really is I want to see us hold this 430. We already bounced off of it on Friday's close, and it made a pretty nice move back up. So ideally, I think if we could get back above like 432, we could start making our way back into this 438.5 area. And then over that, we got plenty of room back into 442. Now, the biggest level on watch for me is the one with Confluence. Is this, 425. If we can lose 425, or even this 420 and lose this trend line in the next coming week, I mean, we could see the market get really red. This is a pretty important trend line on the daily time frame here. So, ideally, if we lose this, we got plenty of room down to 416 and 410. But I'm hoping to try to carve a higher low off of this 430, right? Obviously, this is a big level. It's a whole number. So I want to see us start making a move back into that 438.5 this week. If we don't hold it, that's okay. We got plenty of room down to 425, right? Next on our watch list, Meta. Big watch for me, right? I know I got a lot of levels here, so let me just zoom out a little bit for you, get an idea. So we broke out of this huge daily bull flag, and then, obviously failed to make a move over this 330. But ideally, I think we're going to bounce and continue on this uptrend, right? So, my bounce level here, we have this 312, which we did bounce on Friday. But the biggest level for me to watch is this kind of 306 to 307.5 area bounce at the top of the pennant. You could absolutely go short under 312 into this kind of like 310 and 307 region, obviously depending on price action and volume, right? But overall, even if we still see a little bit of sell off, I'm still primarily bullish on this stock. If we do hold this 312, I'll be looking for a move over this like 316.5, and then we have plenty of room into 320 and 325 and hopefully 330. We'll see what happens. Tesla, another one. Huge pennant on the daily, right? This is kind of more of an indecisive pennant here. This could go either way. So ideally, I think under 250, we have plenty of room down into this like 246 to 244 area. But if we lose 243, it could get bloody. I mean, it's going to be outside of, this trend line. It's going to be under a key level. We can easily see 235 and then under that, 227, right? If we can make a move above 268.2, we can easily see 280 in the next coming week. So, and of course, this gap here, if we can get over this like 281 area, we could see 289. Huge gap. Big mover, right? The only thing that has me a little bit worried is we broke out of this kind of upward channel. So I'm going to be watching for a break under this 250, to 251 area. Trying to make a move down to this 243 on Monday, but again, we'll see what price action and volume has in store for us. And so this is NVIDIA. It looks better on the hourly personally. We have this hourly trend line with support down here around this like 449 to 451. I'm going to be looking to hold this kind of like, 450 area. If we can hold 450 and reclaim this trend line, we have plenty of move back up into 463 and 471. Now, NVIDIA is a huge mover, guys, so just be aware of that. If you have a zone that you're looking to hold, right? Like I have a zone here from like 251.60, all the way down to this daily 20 EMA down here at 449.20. So I'll start a position at 449.20 if we get down there, and then I'll add into it over, 451.80 to 452. So this is my watch list for this week. Comment below what you guys want to see next. And as always, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.